So guys, you actually take your time to share your affiliate link across the internet to your friends, to your families, and to your loved ones. But when you reach your minimum threshold of $100, but they refuse to pay you and you got payment decline, you are doing something wrong. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can ensure that Fiverr affiliates actually approve your payment and pay directly to your Pioneer account. So as you can see, this is the status of the payment I requested in the past, like it's paid and the money is inside my Pioneer account. So as you can see, $199. So this video I'm making right now is actually a follow-up of the video I've made in the past on Fiverr affiliate marketing for beginner and payment setup and first commission withdrawal. So I've actually received a lot of comments. My subscriber is telling me, for example, Sophia Dana said, please, have you requested for the payment from Fiverr and did you get the payment? So, and also there's another question, it has been 3 weeks you have made the video, have you got paid? So this is the follow-up of the video. Like, I want to make a follow-up to show you exactly how you can get paid instantly. So ensure to watch this video from beginning to the end. Please ensure to watch it. So, and if you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I will encourage you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because if you do, you are going to get the latest update from me. So guys, without wasting much of time, let me quickly show you exactly the strategy I use to get this payment very quickly. Whenever you are trying to withdraw your payment from Fiverr affiliate, being a first time, you are going to face a lot of issue, because Fiverr actually want to know if you actually follow the due procedure to actually earn this particular money. So they are going to verify everything you are doing on the platform, because if you find probably you are refining yourself, your account is going to be suspended instantly. So whenever you are trying to withdraw your money directly to your Pioneer account or to your PayPal account, this particular tutorial teach you how you can add your payment source, like if you want to add Pioneer, if you want to add PayPal. So ensure to watch this video first, because like I would have done it now, but I've actually withdrawn my money and I've not reached the threshold again. So as you can see, money earned is $199 and paid, so I can't actually request for a payment right now. But when you are requesting for the payment over here, you are going to see a particular box for you to write your description. So this is the trick that is going to help you out. You are going to select all platforms you are used to promote Fiverr. For example, now I've promoted this particular Fiverr on YouTube. So let me try to search for the video I've made about Fiverr. So let's try to search it on YouTube. So I made a particular video about Fiverr promo code. So Fiverr promo code, Fiverr promo code. So I made a tutorial about Fiverr promo code. So it's loading up. So I'm trying to find my video. Okay, so this is one of the video I made about Fiverr promo code. So over here, what I did actually is to ensure that anybody that is signing up through my affiliate links, they are going to get 20% discount. So I try much as possible to put my affiliate link at the first description of the video. So let me try to show you exactly what I did. I'm going to pause the ad, so you can see the first link in the video. Actually, I tell them to actually use my Fiverr affiliate link. So this is my Fiverr affiliate link. So if somebody click on this particular link, it's going to redirect them to fiverr.com, and if they should sign up over here on Fiverr. So let me go to the home page. So I'm going to get a registration, then a commission whenever somebody sign up and make a purchase on Fiverr. So this is one of the strategies I use to promote Fiverr. So whenever you are trying to withdraw on Fiverr affiliate, you have to copy your platform, your channels you used to promote your affiliate link. So let's assume that this is the payment history. Let me go to payment history, or rather let me go to payment request. So over here, instead of please write the first note, so I'm going to drop all this link that I've used to promote my Fiverr affiliate link. So the reason being that whenever your manager actually sees all those links, there's high chances that they are going to approve your payment instantly and pay it directly to your Pioneer or your PayPal account. So this is one of the strategies you can use to actually make sure that your payment is approved. Or if you find it difficult to do that particular method, there's another one which I don't, because I don't know this method earlier. So what I do is just to contact the support manager. So let me go back to the home page, and you should be able to see the support. Okay, this is the support at fiverraffiliate.desk.com. So I actually copy this particular link, then send them a mail. So I sent them the email when my first payment was actually rejected. So I sent them the email that why was my payment rejected, and they asked me that I should try much as possible to tell them my payment method, how I used to promote. Okay, I'm coming. So this is not the message. Let me try to find the message. Okay, as you can see, so my withdrawal was rejected. This is the message I first sent to them, and they actually tell me the reason why my withdrawal was rejected. And so this is the message I sent to them, that dear admin, I requested for a payment with this particular detail, but my payment was rejected. So they later got back to me then that I should share the promotion method. So this is the follow-up of the message, that I actually use the right traffic. So this is the traffic method I use to promote the affiliate link. So after I've sent this particular method I used to promote my affiliate link, my payment method was actually approved and paid directly to my Payoneer account. So, but notwithstanding, if you are using Payoneer, they are going to ask you to actually add your, let me check, there's another one that I actually received from them. So this is the one that I should add my Payoneer to be payment source. So which I have done over here. As you can see, I have to add it as payment source. So it's very simple. You just have to follow up with this particular method, because if you can make sure that you add your promotion method when you want to withdraw, there's high chances that they are going to approve you instantly without needing to send them a mail with this particular mail over here. So more importantly, there are a lot of people that are asking that how can I make this particular money on Fiverr affiliate. So I have just two or three methods I use to promote my affiliate link to get this commission that I've made. As you can see, for this month so far, I have one registration. There is high chances that this registration might end up buying on Fiverr and I'll make a commission. So the first method is actually to come to YouTube. You know, YouTube is a very great platform where you can promote your affiliate link. So over here I said get verified 20% discount on Fiverr that work in 2022. So, and I make a video. So this video is actually generating a tons of views. As so far as I have over 1,935 views. So, and there is high chances that there are a lot of people going to click on this link and go directly to fiverr.com. So, and if they sign up with this particular link, I'm going to get a commission. So as you can see, this is the affiliate link, which is fiverr.com. So this affiliate link, this is not a normal fiverr.com website, so it contains my affiliate link. So if anybody sign up with this particular link, cookie is going to show, and I'm going to get a registration on my Fiverr affiliate dashboard, and if they buy, I'm going to make a commission. So, and the second method that I personally use to promote my affiliate link to make a commission is to actually come to this particular website called Quora.com. Quora is a very wonderful website. Let me just use this particular Chrome extension to see that this website is receiving a lot of traffic every day. So I'm using similar web. As you can see, this website is ranked number 60 throughout the whole world, number 44 throughout USA, and number 2 in category rank. So, and this website receives a lot of traffic every month. As you can see, 750 million traffic every single month. So you can type into this particular platform to make money on the platform. So what you can do over here is to actually try to think as the buyer that want to use Fiverr. Like, you want to think as this buyer. So you have to check if, for example, now if you want a logo design or you want a graphic designer. So you have to you can type in logo design to actually check if there is anyone that is doing logo design. So let's try logo design. So now you can now pop up every content that is related to logo design. Over here you can now find a lot of content, like a lot of questions people have asked concerning logo design. So how do I find a logo designer? Who are the best logo designer? Where do I find logo designer? So we are going to come over here to play save and to recommend our product. You know, I always tell all my subscribers to actually provide value first before recommending, because Quora, they don't really like affiliate link. So you have to ensure you provide the value before dropping your affiliate link. So like, let's click on this first one. How do I find a good logo designer? So let's click on it to see what people has actually answered about this particular query. So over here, a lot of people have actually answered this question. So you can actually come to this platform, answer the question, then drop your affiliate link. So this particular question, you can see I have a lot of followers, like 302 followers, and a lot of people is viewing this question. So if you can provide value, try to answer question and drop your affiliate link, there's high chances that you are going to make money. So this person is doing what I'm telling you guys, he's doing it. So he's telling them to actually go to fiverr.com. so this is Fiverr screenshot. So you can actually come to this platform, it doesn't cost you anything. All you have to do is just to answer people's question and drop your affiliate link. There's high chances that they are going to click on your link and go straight forward to Fiverr and buy straightforward, because these people, they really need this service urgently. That is why they are asking the question. So this is the second method, and the last method that I do use personally is to use facebook.com. so on Facebook, what I do is to type in some group that I think that might be more related to the product I'm promoting on Fiverr. So one of them is probably website design, website. Okay, like I have a lot of group over here. So one of them is website and domain. So website design, web hosting and registration. So let me just try to use this one as example. So a lot of people over here are people that probably want to design a website and they want to design a landing page. You can actually come over here. If you see someone that is trying to search for that particular query, then you can now answer their question and actually earn a commission whenever they buy directly from fiverr.com. so it's a very great opportunity. So, and more importantly, if you want to copy your affiliate link on Fiverr, so all you have to do is just to come over to marketing tools on Fiverr. So marketing tools, then you locate, there are a lot of marketing opportunity over here. All marketing tools, private marketing tools, default and deep links. So I use this one very well, very well. So default and deep link, so you are going to click on it. So over here, peradventure you find someone that you think is very good on Fiverr. So let me go back. So this particular group is actually promoting their Fiverr affiliate link. Hire a professional in just $5 from popular platform. So let me click on it to see what they're actually promoting. So if it is Fiverr, then I will show you how you can, okay, as you can see, it's a Fiverr. So you can actually copy this particular, let me try to search for probably a website design or logo design. Let me search logo design. Okay, let's assume that I want to promote this, like this particular seller on Fiverr. I want to promote it specifically. I'm going to click on the person's link. I'm going to copy the person's link, then come over to my affiliate link. So over here, I'm going to use LP URL. So I'm going to ensure to inscribe the URL. So if I click on it, then click on enter, I should be able to copy this particular link, then share it over the internet. So whenever someone click on this particular link, it's going to record me as the one that referred them to Fiverr. And if they buy this particular gig, which is $15, I'm going to make a commission. This process is quite simple. You just have to put in a lot of work and you are going to make commission. I'm very certain. So I hope you find great value in this content. Please ensure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you subscribe, I'm going to be making video like this that are going to help you to make money online. Thanks for watching this video. I will see you in my next video. Bye.